Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's Tutorial. Today's topic is a letter. Write a letter to your friend describing the problems of online classes you faced during COVID-19 period. Your address: dear friend, hope I wanted to share my experience with online classes during the COVID-19 period. I was thinking about the lockdown period when we could not meet for months, but our education system did not stop. It all shifted to online mode. All our school classes were going online on Google Meet. The new online system was different from the traditional one, although it was convenient, but there were many difficulties and challenges also. One major problem was poor internet connection. Classes were often disrupted due to screen freezes, lack of face-to-face interaction with teachers, and classmates made learning less engaging. I miss the live discussions that we used to have in class. Spending long hours in front of screen caused eye strain and headache. Despite these challenges, I learned to adapt, but I still prefer traditional classes. Take care and give my regards to your parents. Your loving friend, own name, friend's address. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.